Imagine you're sitting in a bustling office, surrounded by colleagues from all walks of life. The energy is palpable, the atmosphere buzzing with creativity and innovation. You're part of a global team, working together to revolutionize the world of payments. Now, imagine that this team is made up of thousands of individuals, spread out across multiple countries. Can you visualize the scale of such an operation? The sheer number of people working tirelessly to ensure that transactions are secure, efficient, and accessible to everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of Paysafe and answer the question, how many people does Paysafe employ? Building context, what is Paysafe? Paysafe is a leading global provider of payment solutions. From online gaming to e-commerce, Paysafe enables businesses and consumers to transact seamlessly and securely. But how did this company grow to become such a major player in the industry? Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Paysafe was formed in 2009 through the merger of OPAP Group and Skrill. Since then, the company has expanded its operations through strategic acquisitions and partnerships. This growth has been fueled by a commitment to innovation, customer service, and technological advancements. The scale of Paysafe's global workforce. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How many people does Paysafe employ? While the exact number may fluctuate over time, Paysafe boasts a substantial global workforce. This team is spread across numerous countries, ensuring that the company can meet the needs of its customers worldwide. Paysafe's employees come from diverse backgrounds, bringing a wealth of expertise and experience to the table. From software engineers to customer support representatives, each individual plays a vital role in the company's success. Key factors contributing to Paysafe's workforce growth. Several factors have contributed to Paysafe's impressive workforce growth. One of the most significant is the company's focus on innovation. Paysafe is constantly developing new products and services to stay ahead of the curve. This innovation requires a talented and dedicated team to bring ideas to life. Another factor is Paysafe's commitment to customer satisfaction. The company strives to provide exceptional service to its customers, and this requires a large and well-trained workforce. Paysafe invests heavily in employee training and development to ensure that its team is equipped to meet the needs of its customers. The benefits of working at Paysafe. Working at Paysafe offers numerous benefits for employees. The company provides competitive salaries and benefits packages, including health insurance, retirement plans, and opportunities for professional development. Additionally, Paysafe fosters a positive and inclusive work culture where employees feel valued and supported. Paysafe also encourages employees to take ownership of their work and contribute to the company's success. This empowerment can lead to greater job satisfaction and a sense of accomplishment. The future of Paysafe's workforce. As Paysafe continues to grow and evolve, it is likely that its workforce will expand further. The company will need to recruit talented individuals to meet the demands of its business and to stay ahead of the competition. Paysafe will also need to adapt to changes in the job market, such as the rise of remote work and the increasing use of technology. The company will need to invest in tools and processes that enable its employees to work effectively in a digital age. In conclusion, Paysafe employs a substantial global workforce that is dedicated to providing innovative payment solutions. The company's growth is fueled by its focus on innovation, customer satisfaction, and employee development. As Paysafe continues to expand, it will need to recruit talented individuals and adapt to changes in the job market. The future of Paysafe's workforce is bright, and the company is well positioned to continue its success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.